Hello everyone. Today we have an internship opportunity from Payoneer and it is a product internship. And also the job location is Gurugram. Now if you scroll down, you can actually look into what this role is all about. They are actually seeking for a highly motivated and detail oriented individual to join their team as a product operation intern. And in this role, you will gain a hands-on experience in product management and operations with the fast-paced and dynamic environment. And then in this role, you will be working closely with the product team to support the successful development, launch, and ongoing management of their products. So then they have mentioned about the responsibilities. So you will be assisting with the day-to-day operational task related to the product development and management. And you will collaborate with the cross-functional team, including the product manager, operation team, and you will do those things to ensure there is a smooth product workflows. Then you will do the work of assisting in gathering and documenting the product requirements and user feedbacks. Then you will contribute to the creation of product documentation such as user guides, frequently asked questions, and release notes. You should also support the testing and quality assurance processes for the new product features and enhancement. Then you will assist in tracking and analyzing the key performance metric to evaluate the product success. Then you will assist in coordinating the product launches and updates, including the communication plan and training material. Then you will provide a general admin support to the product team as needed. So this is basically a operation role where you will be looking after the product team, where you will be looking after if everything is aligned, and if you will be looking after the documentation, user feedback, and you will be working to coordinate with the product launches, updates, including the communication plans and training materials for the employees. So such things you will be doing in this role. So then if you scroll down, you can look into the requirements for this role. So you should be currently pursuing a degree in business or computer science or a related field. You should have a strong organizational skill and you should have a attention to detail skill. Then you should have an excellent written and verbal communication skill, and you should be having the ability to multitask and prioritize the task efficiently. Then you should have the proficiency in Microsoft Office suite that includes Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, and Google Suite. Then you should have the basic understanding of product management concept and methodologies, and you should have the enthusiasm for the technology and eagerness to learn about the product development processes, and a strong problem solving skills and a proactive attitude. These are the things that are required for this role. This internship will provide a valuable opportunity for you to gain a practical experience in the product management and operation while working with the collaborative and dedicated team. And they are looking for someone who is a self-started and who is eager to contribute and learn in a supportive environment. And if you are passionate about technology and have a strong interest in product management, they are actually asking you to apply for this role. You will be a right fit for this role. So you need to apply by using this column here where you can see this apply for this job. You will enter your first name, last name, email, phone number, and you will attach your resume or CV and cover letter if you have one. It is not mandatory here, and you can include your LinkedIn profile. If you have any website, you can include that, and then you have to choose if you have read the privacy policies and select yes and click on submit application. And based on your profile, they will start reaching out to you if you are a right fit for them. And that's it. Try to add the keywords that are mostly important for this role in your resume and then apply for this role. So yeah, this is the end of this video. I think I have covered all the things that is mentioned here. And if you have any other doubts, you can actually ask us in the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it to your friends.